GenM Personal Care has been crafted to provide its users with wholesome, daily living essentials that are made with clean, natural ingredients. GenM's complete line of products are formulated with some of nature's most invaluable ingredients, like Moringa oleifera and mangosteen. Our premier line of products is cruelty-free and contains no parabens, paraffins, synthetic silicones, GMOs, mineral oils, phthalates, artificial colors or fragrances, harsh chemicals, or sulfates. To help Zija Nation realize all the benefits available from GenM products, the Zija Product Advisory Council includes a key member whose knowledge of natural skincare stands unparalleled. Known as a skincare industry leader, Shelley McGuire brings decades of experience in the industry and has personally developed and brought to market over 50 anti-aging skincare products since 2001.
We all agree, we want to look and feel our best every day. Now, as a skincare developer, and I've been developing products for over 15 years, I continue to look for ingredients that I know make a difference in the way that you look and the way that you feel. And that's what I really value and love about the GenM brand. The ingredients and the care and the quality that go into every formula for hair, face, body, all of the different products really make a difference. The GenM Premium Anti-Aging Facial products contain an exclusive blend of superfoods, antioxidants, proteins, all made to revitalize and refine the texture of your skin. Now, we've been able to harness some of the most powerful, natural, clinically proven actives so that we can really help to focus and target on the major signs of aging. And we're doing it with ingredients that are progressive but not aggressive on the skin. In just one use, you will absolutely see and feel a difference. The GenM hair care shampoo and conditioner are specifically using ingredients that will replenish your hair with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and hydrators that keep your hair looking healthy and strong. The GenM oral care is finally going to take you away from all of the harsh chemicals that you traditionally find in other oral care products. And what GenM has done is added ingredients that are natural essential amino oils like spearmint, tea tree, and myrrh. I think a lot of us forget that skincare doesn't stop right at our face. So we need to be taking care of ourselves from head to toe, and that is what the GenM daily core products are going to give you. They're made with ingredients like humectants and superfoods and plant extracts and botanicals, so that we're bringing you everything that you want in your skin and body products, and we're leaving out everything that you don't want. GenM products are pure, clean, and natural, and something that you're going to feel great about using every day and sharing with others that you know and that you care about. I want to help you be the best, look the best, and feel the best that you can possibly be and reach your highest potential in life. And I'm committed to that. And we're going to do it together. And I can't wait.